bed. No. Let's see, what do you want for lunch? What should we make for lunch? Wait, how did you get up there? Jonathan, you want to Skype Abba while Ima go wash it? Ugh, again.
We both know this is your mother's job. I hate doing this. Much. See? Sucks. Alright, 1 second. The superhero. Nadine, thank God he's fast asleep. What a day. Oh, thank God he's fast asleep. What a day. Day's over. What are you looking at?
Ready?
Okay. Thank God he's fast asleep. What a day. What? I have something in my nose? Is it gone?